This is a basic demo of the SuperImager Plus Complete Rugged Portable Forensic Lab on the go using the Windows Open OS. Plug a USB keyboard and USB mouse. And an M2 NVMe SSD in one of the U2 ports. Press on the on-off button. At boot time, tap on the keyboard down arrow key until a booting menu appears. Select the third entry, which is to boot into Windows. A Windows screen appears. By the way, to toggle between the Ubuntu OS and the Windows OS, the user needs to do a full system shootdown. Wait for a few seconds and a pop-up message will appear. New drives have appeared in the system. Click on the Media Clone Tray icon for more options. Now press OK on this message. This message appears because the system detected the plugged U2 drive. Going to the bottom tray and clicking on the Media Clone icon in the bottom tray will pop up a new screen of Media Clone Power Management screen, showing all the unit's ports. Also, you can see 4 U2 powered ports checked marked, as explained in the first video, for initialization of the U2 ports. At the bottom of that screen will appear all the detected drives, and hovering with the mouse over the NVMe SSD model that was detected will pop up a few options. One is to mount the drive as read-write. That option is only for evidence target ports. Mount the drive as read-only or safely remove that drive. Since this NVMe drive was plugged into the evidence 4 port, it will give the user all 3 options. Let's select to remove that drive safely. Now let's plug 2 SATA SSD drives, one in suspect 1 and one in evidence 1. And let's check mark both the suspect 1 and evidence 1 in the Media Clone Power Management screen. Every time you checkmark a drive, it will power it on and a pop-up message will appear. New drives have appeared in the system. Click on the Media Clone Tray icon for more options. After clicking OK on both pop-up messages, we can see both drives appear in the bottom tray, and hovering on the Suspect 1 drive model will show us only 2 options of mounting: read-only or safely remove the drive. So this simple way of controlling, detecting, mounting, and writes protecting plugged drives to the system. Before exiting Windows, make sure to safely remove all the drives. Remember that the Windows OS is open, and the user can install any third-party application, including the useful FTK Imager, Forensic Explorer, Encase, Nuix, Magnet, Oxygen, Cellbrite, MSAB, and many more. Media Clone does not supply a window imaging application because of the more efficient way of imaging with Ubuntu OS. Also, do not click on the Media Clone icon on the desktop screen. That is for launching the tray icon if it does not come automatically.